Hello everyone and welcome to the English class. I am teacher Mimosa and today's lesson is if she's here, we'll invite her. We'll talk about grammar, first conditional with if or unless. Listen and read the dialogue and then answer the question, why do they want to hide the list? While reading, pay attention to the verbs in red. We'll discuss it later.
What time's Martin coming? He'll be here at 4, unless he gets lost again. Unlikely, but not impossible knowing him. Right, who else shall we invite to his surprise party?
What about his friend, Sophie?
Why? Is she coming over from the States? I didn't know that.
Yes, she is. But I'm not sure when exactly. She'll probably come when her school breaks up.
Well, if she's here for his birthday, we'll invite her, obviously. Oh no, that's him. He's 20 minutes early. That's a bit inconvenient. Hi, come on up. Quick, hide the list or he'll see it as soon as he walks in. Hi, how are you doing?
Hey guys, what's up? You look a bit uncomfortable, Jody. Are you okay?
Here you got some sentences that you're going to answer with true, false, or doesn't say if a sentence is not mentioned in the text. The first one, as you can see, is Luke, Emma, and Jody are planning a party for Martin. This is true. Number 2 is Emma thinks Martin will get lost again. According to the text, this sentence is DS or doesn't say because it's not linear. Number 2, Emma thinks Martin will get lost again. It doesn't say, so this sentence is not mentioned in the text. Number 3, Sophie is going to visit Martin. This is true. 4, Martin is usually on time. According to the text, it doesn't say. 5, they are surprised when he arrives. This sentence is true. And the last one, Martin sees the list immediately. According to the text, this sentence is false. Here we got grammar summary with first conditional with if or unless. You know that we have 4 conditionals, and today we'll talk about the first one. The form in affirmative is they will arrive soon if the train is on time, or they will arrive soon unless the train is late. Negative, we won't enjoy the party if there isn't any music, or we won't enjoy the party unless there is some music. Question form, it is will you go cycling if the weather is nice? And the short answer is yes I will or no I won't. In WH questions we've got who will you invite if you have a party? We use the first conditional with if and unless to talk about the result of a possible future event. We use unless for a result that does not happen. The form. We use if and unless plus the present simple for the possible future event and will plus infinitive without to for the result. When we start with the if or unless part of the sentence, we use a comma. For example, Unless you apologize, I won't go out with you again. And when we start with the result, we don't use a comma. Comma mistakes, it's the example, I'll wait for you unless I don't hear from you. The correct form should be, I'll wait for you unless I hear from you. Will, the future with the when and as soon as. I'll phone when or as soon as the plane lands. Questions, we've got will you start work as soon as you get home? And you can answer with yes I will or no I won't. WH questions, we've got what will you say when you see Greg? We use the will future with when and as soon as to show that one thing will happen very soon after another. We follow the same rules as for the first conditional, so the form is the same. Comma mistakes, we've got when I will arrive, I'll phone you. The correct form should be when I arrive, I'll phone you. Now let's practice the grammar in this exercise. Here you've got to complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs and choose the correct options. As you can see, number 1, it's completed and it is we'll have the party at Emma's place if her parents agree. At sentence number 2, we have to use unless or if, and we have the verb say. Let's see the answer. And while I show the answer, please take notes on your notebook or on your book. It's easier for you later. Let's see, number 2, it's if they say no, we'll ask Luke and Jodie's parents. Number 3, if everyone brings some food to share, we'll have plenty to eat. Number 4 is Martin won't know anything about it unless someone tells him. 5, when he knocks on the door, we'll hide. Number 6, we'll jump out and shout, surprise, as soon as he comes in. Number 7, it's he'll be surprised when he sees everyone. And the last one is when the party is over, we'll all help to clear up. Dear students, this is all about first conditionals with if and unless. I hope that I helped you to understand it easier and see you in the next class.